Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's complete this table. For completing that, we need to change the background. For the background, I'm going to format it, but I'm going to create another background. This background we have here, it's totally great and I like it, but I'm going to change it a little to create another one. We just simply insert a shape here, this shape, and we align it middle, center. Then we format the shape points. We click here and then we bring this down. We click here and bring this up. We click here and bring this thing here. We click here and bring this thing here. Okay, now it's good. Now we set the shape outline to none and the color to white. Then we go here from the shape effect, we select this effect. Now we just simply take a screenshot of it and paste the screenshot here, and also copy that and paste it as the background of this slide. And then just simply move this table, reduce it a little to fit the new screenshot. Now you see it look very beautiful. If you like my tutorials, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.